What's the best MCAT Biochem strategy for complex pathways? Imagine trying to follow a busy highway with many exits and on-ramps. That's what complex biochemical pathways can feel like on the MCAT. The key is not to memorize every turn but to understand the flow and connections. Start by familiarizing yourself with the main pathways like glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, gluconeogenesis, and fatty acid metabolism. Know where they happen in the cell, what molecules go in and come out, and how they link together. Using diagrams or drawing pathways helps you see the big picture and remember how molecules move from one process to another. Begin with a broad overview. Know which parts of the cell are involved, like the cytosol or mitochondria, and what each pathway's main goal is. Focus on major substrates, products, and enzymes that are often tested. Don't waste time memorizing every intermediate or enzyme unless it's a high-yield target. Instead, understand how pathways connect. For example, how pyruvate from glycolysis feeds into the Krebs cycle through the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. During the exam, pay close attention to passage details. Many questions involve interpreting experimental data or applying concepts to new scenarios. Use your background knowledge to analyze the information given rather than trying to recall every fact. When studying, draw large pathway maps on paper or a whiteboard. Place pathways in their cellular context and use arrows to show how molecules flow. Simplify enzyme and protein, names with mnemonics or abbreviations that focus on their function. Focus on relationships between pathways. Know which pathways compete, work together, or follow one another. Prioritize understanding the biochemical logic and physiological relevance over memorizing every detail. This approach aligns with what medical schools expect, where understanding how metabolism works in a system is more important than rote memorization. It helps you think critically about how these pathways operate in real-life situations, like in patient care. Remember, the goal is to see the pathways as interconnected systems, not isolated facts. This way, you'll be ready to handle complex pathway questions confidently and efficiently.